All right, guys, I have the Jordan 11 Rare Airs in hand. Yes, I got the hit on the sneakers app. Everything is beautiful on this shoe, but there's a little something, just one little thing that I really don't like very much. Guys, we're gonna get into it immediately. Run my intro and I'll get to the disliking part, or maybe there's two, maybe even three, I don't know. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And yes, like I was saying, Jordan 11s, the Rare Airs, very excited for these. I got to hit on my birthday when it came to these. Yes, my birthday was on November 5th. By the way, thank you for all the birthday wishes. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I said it on Facebook, it is what it is. And I'm not going to get all and mushy about it. But guys, if I had to say that there's something about this shoe that I dislike, to be honest with you, no. It's just like this one thing that really bothers me. And I'll tell you about it in just a little bit. You know, it's just this one little thing. Maybe you guys have seen it. Maybe you guys have caught it. I don't know. But let's start it off with how I always started off, guys. No. The presentation. Guys, when it comes to the presentation, very nice. Nothing crazy. Of course, it's not like the old school Jordan 11 presentations that were amazing. But it's still not bad at all. The whole top is blue with the Jumpman logo in white. The whole bottom of the box that opens up, at least, you know, it stays with the bottom. The lid stays with the bottom of the box. The whole bottom is in red. It has the Jumpman logo right in the front. And it also has on the lid part the 23 that is obviously in the back of the shoe. It has the little ring right there so you can grab it just in case you guys are not storing it, you know, on the walls or anything like that. And right there you guys see Air Jordan 11 Retro RA for Rare Air size 10. And yes, guys, I did get these a size 10 when usually I get these in size 9.5. And now we'll explain that too, because that's actually probably the second one that I dislike about something that's going on with Jordans. Yeah, guys, there's always something going on. There's always something going on. But yes, presentation, very good, guys. No, I can't throw the boxes because I need them for the future, guys. And now, let's get into the Rare Air 11s, guys. And you already know how I start this. The materials and the toe box. Even though the toe box on this one is just one long toe box. All right, just to get to it, guys. Patent leather, of course. The iconic look of the Jordan 11s. Very nice. It's not a royal blue. It's not a dark blue either. It's light blue. It's just it has its own, because it's not a diffused blue either, because I do have the diffused blues. Give me a second. And here they are. And they're not the same. You guys can see it right there. They're not the same at all. So, you know, it's nice, you know, to certain people. Once again, guys, I'm a little colorblind over here, but to me, it doesn't look like a royal blue either, but it gives it, let's just say blue. Let's just say blue. Yeah, let's just keep it like that, guy. I'm reasonable, Primoskickz. I'm reasonable, guys. I'm a reasonable man. But yeah, it's not the same. Hey, thinking about it now. Okay, it's not the same either on the sole of the shoe. But yes, let's get back to the shoes. And right on the top of the shoe, the whole upper, this is where it's gonna get to right there. You know what I'm saying? What I'm about to say that I dislike. Everything is amazing. You guys can see the cream laces. You guys can see in the whole upper right there where the laces go. Jordan on each little tab. Beautiful. Very high grain leather when it comes to the sides of the shoes. Also very good leather, very good, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, even though maybe it has a certain couple little things that are synthetic. I don't know. Once again, I'm not the material expert over here. Neither people really give a damn about that. But saying how it is, everything very beautiful. The whole tongue, tumbled leather all the way through, beautiful as well. And right there, you guys see the logo right in the middle. You guys see that logo? Pay attention to it real good. Look, I'm gonna let you see it. Let's see if you guys see what I'm seeing. I'm gonna let you think about it. Look at it for another 2 seconds. All right, I had enough. I do not like the simple fact that I can see the red under the logo. I don't like that. It looks weird. It gives me, I don't know, anxiety just looking at it. Like, why is it that it has a red little tab in the bottom instead of just sewing the Jumpman logo in red? Now, is this something that has to do with the actual, because it's a rare air? I haven't read anything about that. None of the people that I know have told me anything about that. As a matter of fact, a lot of them are like, yo, I think that looks kind of disgusting. But in my case, I don't think it's disgusting, but I just think it looks half-assed. That's just what it looks like to me. But if I could say something about it in its own defense, it's absolutely nothing. Yeah, I cannot defend that whatsoever. It just, I don't know why it looks like that, man. You know, like I said, hopefully maybe it is because of rare air. I have no idea. But let's keep going, guys. Going into the inside of the shoe, the sole, rare air in white, the swoosh in red, and everything else in blue. And the inside of the tongue, of course, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Red, white, and blue as well. And it's also rounded in gray, in a very light gray. Now let's get to that side of the shoe. You guys already saw the tumbled leather that it says Jordan. Very nice, you know. It's a very nice rubber texture on the where the laces go. The Jumpman logo in red, perfectly sewn, very detailed. You know, I'm very glad about that because sometimes, like I say, the hand on the Jordan looks like a pretzel. No, this one looks good. This one has the 4 fingers, you know what I'm saying? So yes, very good. You see the little laces, everything beautiful. Going to the back of the shoe, of course, the patent leather runs all the way through. That leather, the back panel where the actual Jumpman logo is sewn onto, that is in a very good leather as well. And the 23 is nicely embossed into that black. The whole lining of the shoe is in black, as you guys can see. Now going to the midsole, the whole midsole is in white. What else am I going to say? The same pattern as every Jordan 11 that you guys are ever going to see, even if it's low. You know, unless it's the IE or the IE. I'm here thinking so many shoes, guys, at one time. If it's not the IE, it doesn't change it. I think even the IE has the same exact midsole. But it is what it is, guys. And going to the actual sole of the shoe, translucent cream, get the money. Yes, I love it. Cream, get the money. Very nice, guys. Very nice. What else am I going to say about it? The whole sole, like I said, translucent. You see that actual carbon fiber in red and black. The front is in red. The back is in blue with the heel. And you guys see the Jumpman logo in black. You guys see everything else surrounded in white. And if you look real closely to the Jumpman logo in the middle, it has like a 3D effect. Very beautiful. At least it looks like a 3D effect to me. And it has like a glow behind it that I've noticed that, yes, the OGs had that. And they're doing it the right way this time. So yes, guys. So there it is. That is the one thing that I dislike about the shoe. Now, let's get into sizing. Second thing. Let's get into the sizing and the swagger. The on foot, baby. Let's do this. Now, when it comes to the actual size, lately, guys, I've been buying Jordan 11s, all the latest ones that have come out, and I've noticed that they run small. Don't know why. And no, guys, my foot ain't getting any bigger. You know what I'm saying? And it just doesn't, I don't know what's the reason. And it happened to me with a pair of Jordan actual ones too, that, you know, they just run a little bit smaller. Don't know why. So I went with a size 10 when it came to that. And if I had to recommend something for it, I don't know, guys, maybe a lot of you, you know, I always say try them on in store or a friend or something. I don't know if they can lend you the shoe, if you guys have the same foot size, but, you know, if I had to recommend something, how the way they're fitting, the shoe fits perfect on me, like it was my true size 9.5, and it's a size 10. So I'm just being honest over here, guys. Once again, I'm not truly gonna recommend, you know, go half a size up, but if I had to say something, maybe, yeah. The way they're running now, yeah. And when it comes to swag, come on, guys, man. I don't know where these people have their eyes, and honestly, I'm starting to think that their eyes are somewhere deep in their a-hole. Because, bro, it is hard to dress. What is so hard to dress this thing? What is so hard? What's wrong with these people, man? You know, sometimes, I swear, in the sneaker community, I get migraines, dude. I get a migraine from people when they see, dude, I'll put on whatever. Like, what is it with the whole fitting? And they dress like shit anyways, to be honest with you. You know, it's like, I'm not even going to get into the depth with it, but whatever, dude. Like, whatever. Like, just who cares, bro? Like, bro, if this is undressable, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Go buy white shoes only or solid black shoes. This is like extremely dressable. It's white with blue, a little bit of hits of red. It's gorgeous, dude. The shoe is beautiful all the way through. And for those that say that they don't like that it says Jordan in the lids right there, dude, suck an ass, bro. Straight up. Yeah, I'm not gonna be nice to these people anymore, dude. I've been nice now long enough, bro. Suck ass. Literally, it's hard. I wish they would have came like that from the get-go, from '96. That's amazing. The Jubilees have it. The Rare Airs, bro. You're crazy, son. It's a bunch of ass suckers. It is what it is. Not to say something else. Anyways, guys, I recommend them 100%. They're great. They're beautiful. They're lovely. Yes. 100% Primo certified. Hey, what is it? Wait, let me grab. Oh, you! I haven't done that one in a long time. And for those that don't like it, like I said, suck ass, guys. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! El cohete!